In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur an image in Photopea. Open the project containing the image you want to blur and make sure the correct image layer is selected in the Layers panel. From the top menu, click on Filter, hover over Blur, and select Gaussian Blur from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear with a slider that controls the blur intensity. Moving the slider to the right increases the blur effect, while moving it to the left reduces the blur. Once you are satisfied with the blur amount, click OK to apply the effect. If you only want to blur a specific part of the image, you can do that using selection tools. Right-click on the selection tool icon on the left side of the screen and choose a rectangular, elliptical, or lasso selection depending on the area you want to blur. After selecting the desired area, go back to the Filter menu, hover over Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur again. Adjust the blur amount and click OK. Only the selected area will be blurred, and this is how you can blur an image in Photopea.